If you've ever struggled with uneven heating, flimsy handles, or cookware that just doesn't live up to the hype, today's review is for you. I'm taking a close look at the Martha Stewart Castelle 10-piece stainless steel cookware set, a premium-looking kitchen essential that promises durability, performance, and everyday versatility, all without toxic coatings. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's break down what you actually get, how it performs in a real kitchen, and whether this cookware set is worth adding to your home. What's included in the set. This is a complete cookware setup designed to cover nearly every daily cooking need. Inside the box, you'll find saucepans, frying pans, a sauté pan, and a Dutch oven, each crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel. From boiling pasta and simmering sauces to searing proteins and slow-cooking stews, this set is built to handle it all. Key features: 18/8 stainless steel construction for long-lasting durability and a clean, non-reactive cooking surface. Impact-bonded aluminum core for even heat distribution and no frustrating hot spots. Induction-safe and dishwasher-safe for modern kitchens and easy cleanup. Interior fill lines etched directly into the pots for precise measurements. Double-riveted, ergonomic handles that stay secure and comfortable during cooking. Performance and cooking experience. What really stands out is the triply bottom design with an aluminum core. This means heat spreads evenly across the base, so food cooks consistently. No scorched centers or undercooked edges. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or simmering soup, temperature control feels smooth and predictable. The stainless steel surface delivers excellent browning without leaving behind any metallic taste, which is especially important when cooking delicate sauces or acidic dishes. Design and comfort. The cookware has a polished, elegant finish that looks great on the stovetop, and even better when serving straight from the pan. The Y-shaped, double-riveted handles feel sturdy and balanced, giving you confidence when lifting heavier pots like the Dutch oven. And those etched interior measurement lines? Surprisingly useful. They make it easier to track portions without pulling out a measuring cup. Small detail, big convenience. Who is this cookware set for? This set is perfect for home cooks who want non-toxic stainless steel cookware without jumping into ultra-luxury price territory. It's also ideal if you're upgrading from non-stick pans and want something more durable, induction-compatible, and dishwasher-safe. Whether you cook daily or just want reliable, long-lasting pots and pans, this set is built to grow with your skills. Final verdict. The Martha Stewart Castelle 10-piece stainless steel cookware set delivers on performance, durability, and design. It's practical, thoughtfully engineered, and versatile enough for nearly any recipe, making it a smart investment for modern kitchens. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the description, and if this review helped, hit subscribe for more honest kitchen gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.